Question 31. If x is the sum of integers between -9 and -1 and y is the product of integers between -3 and 5, then what is the value of x plus y? Here, integers between -9 and -1. Integers between -9 and -1 are -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3 and -2. Right? So, their sum is equal to, which is x. X is equal to, so -8 minus plus -7 plus -6, so on up to plus -2 is -35. And integers between -3 and +5. -3 and 5 are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? According to the question, their product. Here, their product. Product is equal to -2 into -1 into 0 into +1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So any number when it is multiplied by 0, the value will be 0. Right? Therefore, x plus y is equal to, so their product is y here. X plus y is -35 plus 0, which is -35. Hence, option D is the right answer. Question 32. The least number which must be subtracted from 8,93,308 to obtain a perfect square is x. What is the sum of the digits of x? Here we can easily find the number using division method. So the number is 8,93,308. Here let us group the number into three groups, that is 89, 33 and 08. Here 9 into 9 is 81. 8 is the remainder. So plus 9 is 18. So take 32 here next. So 184 into 4 is 736. Here, so 13 minus 6, 7. So 97 is the remainder. So take 08, 9,708. So add 4, the number 4 to 184. You will get 188. So here 1885 into 5 is equal to, so 9,425. Here 283 is the remainder. Okay, 283 is the remainder. And from the question, the least number which must be subtracted from the given number is 283. So that is x. Therefore, the least number x is equal to 283. What is asked here? What is the sum of the digits of x? So the digits are 2, 8 and 3. Therefore, sum of the digits, of x is equal to 2 plus 8 plus 3, which is 13. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Question 33. if x is 3 raised to 127 into 5 raised to 121 into 7 raised to 16, and y is equal to 3 raised to 128 into 5 to the power of 119 into 7 raised to 21, z is 3 raised to 126 into 5 raised to 120 into 7 raised to 19. So then HCF of x, y and z is, let us write the given numbers, 3 raised to 127 into 5 raised to 121 into 7 raised to 16 is x, and y is 3 raised to 128 into 5 raised to 119 into 7 raised to 21. Z is 3 raised to 126 into 5 raised to 120 into 7 raised to 19. So we have to find highest common factor. Before that, factor of any number. If you take x, the number, its factor is nothing but the number, or it is always less than that of the number. So factor of any number, say for example 20. So the factors of 20 are 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, and always 1. 1 is one of the factors of any number, right? Therefore, the factor of any number, it is always a number that is 20 or less than that of number. Always it is less than the number or equal to that number. So here, factors of x are x itself and less than x. Therefore, less than equal to x. Right? Similarly, factors of y. Factors of y are always less than or equal to y. And factors of z are always less than or equal to z. Right? So here we are finding highest common factor. In those factors, there is one factor which is highest. Generally, the number itself is highest factor of the given number. Here, in case of 20, 20 is the highest factor of 20. Similarly, 19 or 18, 18 is the highest factor of the number 18. But here in the given numbers, x, y, z, highest common factors. So among 3, there are so many factors of x, y, and z. What is highest? Not factor, it is common factor. So common means the factor which divides all 3 numbers. It is called highest common factor. Right? So here highest common factor is, so come to the power 3 raised to 127. So which divides x, of course. Here, but not z. Here 3 raised to 127 is greater than z. Right? Therefore, here least power is 3 raised to 126. So HCF is equal to 3 raised to 126. Least power. And come to 5 raised to 121, 119, 120. Here least power is 5 raised to 119. So into 5 raised to 119 into 7 raised to least power is 16. Highest common factor of x, y and z is 3 to the power of 126, 5 to the power of 119 into 7 to the power of 16. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Question 34. Let A is equal to 2 by 3 divided by minus 4 by 5 plus 7 by 12 plus of minus 11 by 6 whole divided by 1 by 9 plus 5 by 3 into minus 8 by 15 plus 7 by 27. Then the value of A is. Here, let us solve the numerator and denominator separately using BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the order of operations, right? So first let us solve brackets. So there is no bracket here. So of division first. So division part is there, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. We have to solve the numerator and denominator separately. So here A is equal to 2 by 3 divided by minus 4 by 5 plus 7 by 12 plus of minus 11 by 16 whole divided by 1 by 9 plus 5 by 3 into minus 8 by 15 plus 7 by 27. So here, according to Bodmer's rule, so the division comes first. So consider the numerator. So 2 by 3 divided by minus 4 by 5 is written as into 5 by minus 4. Right? Plus 7 by 12. So plus of minus is minus 11 by 6 whole divided by 1 by 9 plus 5 by 3 into minus 8 by 15 plus 7 by 27. Right? So which is equal to, simplify it. So 2 into 2, that is, so here minus 5 by 6. So here plus 7 by 12 minus 11 by 6 whole divided by. So after division, come to the denominator. According to Bodmer's rule, multiplication comes first. 1 by 9 minus, so you can simplify. 5 into 3 is 15 minus 8 by 9 plus 7 by 27. So take the LCM of 6, 12 and 6. Here it is. 12 is the LCM. So 6 into 2, 12. So minus 5 into 2, minus 10 plus 7. So here minus 6 into 2, 12. So the LCM 11 into 2, 22. Therefore here in the denominator 27 is the LCM and 9 into 3 is 27, hence 1 into 3. 3 minus 9 into 3 is 27. 8 into 3, 24 plus 7. Therefore, which is equal to, so minus 10 minus 22 minus 32 plus 7 is minus 25 by 12 whole divided by 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 24 is minus 14 by 27, which is equal to, so minus 25 by 12 into, which is divided by 14 by 27. So into 27 by minus 14. Right. So if possible, we can simplify. So we cannot cancel or we cannot divide anything here, numerator and denominator. Minus 25 into 27. So minus minus will get cancelled. So it is 675 divided by 168. So the value of A is 675 by 168. So option A is the right answer. Question 35. If x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2 divided by 2 by 3 to the power of minus 3, then what is the reciprocal of x? So let us find the value of x first. So here x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2 divided by 2 by 3 to the power of minus 3. So any number, if its power is negative, then it becomes 1 by 1 by 2 to the power of plus 2. Right? So divided by, so here the second number also has the power, negative power, that it becomes 1 by 2 by 3 to the power of It's positive power, right? So here 1 by 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 divided by, so 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Therefore, so 1 by 1 by 4 is 4 divided by, so 1 by 8 by 27 is 27 by 8. So here 8 is, so 4 by 27 by 8 becomes 4 into 8 by 27, right? So x is equal to 32 by 27. Therefore, the reciprocal of x, according to the question, reciprocal of x is 27 by 32. It's inverse, right? 27 by 32. Hence, option A is the right answer. Question 36. A factor common to both x square minus x minus 6 and x square minus 5x plus 6 is. So let us find the factors of the given expressions x square minus x minus 6 and x square minus 5x plus 6 separately, right? So x square minus x minus 6. So let us find the factors by splitting the middle term, that is x square. So minus 6, here it is minus 3x plus 2x, which becomes minus x minus 6. So minus 3 and 2. Minus 3 into 2 becomes minus 6. So here x is the common term, x minus 3, x into x minus 3, plus 2 is the common term, that is x minus 3. Therefore, x minus 3 into x plus 2 are the factors of the expression x square minus x minus 6. And the second expression, x square minus 5x plus 6. So we can split the middle term here, x square minus 5 is minus 3 minus 2. So minus 3x minus 2x. So that minus 3 into minus 2 becomes plus 6. So x is the common term, x minus 3 minus 2 is the common term, x minus 3. So that minus 2 minus 3, their product is plus 6. So x minus 3 into x minus 2. Therefore, common factor, a factor common to these two is x minus 3. So the answer is x minus 37. What is the coefficient of x square in the product of 2 by 3x square plus 5 by 4x minus 3 and 3x square plus 4x plus 1? So here the given expressions 2 by 3x square plus 5 by 4x minus 3. We have to find the product. Therefore, into 3x square plus 4x plus 1, which is equal to 2 by 3x square into 3x square plus 4x plus 1 plus 5 by 4x into 3x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 3 into 3x square plus 4x plus 1, which is equal to, so 3 into 2, 6 by 3 x to the power of 4 plus 8 by 3 x cube plus 2 by 3 x square plus 15 by 4 x to the power of 3 plus 20 by 4 x square plus 5 by 4x minus 9x square minus 12x minus 3. So here we need to find the coefficient of x square. So let us take x square terms only, that is 2 by 3x square, 20 by 4x square and minus 9x square. So taking the terms containing only x square. So here 2 by 3 x square plus 20 by 4 x square minus 9 x square is equal to, so here LCM is 12. So it is 3 into 4 is 12, 2 into 4 8 x square plus 4 into 3 is 12, so it is plus 60, 20 into 3 minus, so here the denominator is 1, which is 108 x square, which is 68 x square minus 108 x square divided by 12, which is minus 40 by 12 x square. Therefore, the coefficient of x square is minus 40 by 12. We can simplify it. So 4 into 3, that is minus 10 by 3. Hence, option B is the right answer. Question 38. If 2 into 3y minus 4 plus 6 whole divided by 3y minus of 4 plus 5y is equal to 3 by 5, then the value of 9y plus 1. So let us find the value of y first, then 9y plus 1. Okay. So the solution 2 into 3y minus 4 plus 6 whole divided by 3y minus of 4 plus 5y is equal to 3 by 5. So 2 into 3y, 6y minus 8 plus 6 divided by 3y minus 4 minus 5y is equal to 3 by 5. So here 5 into 6y minus 8 plus 6 is equal to 3 into 3y minus 4 minus 5y. Right? So 5 into 6y minus 2 is equal to 3 into 3y minus 5 minus 2y minus 4, which is, so 30y minus 10 is equal to minus 6y minus 12. Therefore, 30y plus 6y is equal to minus 12 plus 10, which is 36y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2 by 36, which is minus 1 by 18. Right? Therefore, so we have to find the value of 9y plus 1. Therefore, 9y plus 1 is 9 into minus 1 by 18 plus 1, which is, so minus 1 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to half, 1 by 2. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Question 39. If 2x minus 3y is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 6, then what is the value of 4x square plus 9y square? So given 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. Therefore, 2x minus 3y whole square is equal to 5 square. Because if a is equal to b, then a square is equal to b square. Right? So 2x minus 3y whole square, which is equal to, we know the formula of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Right? Apply the same formula here also. So a square, 2 minus 3y whole square is 2x the whole square minus 2 times 2x into 3y plus b square is 3y whole square equal to 5 square is 25. Right? So 2x whole square is 4x square minus 4 into 3, 12xy plus 9y square is equal to 25. So what is xy here? Xy is equal to 6. So given that xy is equal to 6. So 4x square plus 9y square minus 12 into 6 is equal to 25 because xy is equal to 6. Therefore, 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 25 plus 72, which is equal to 97. Right? So the value of 4x square plus 9y square is 97. Hence option D. Question 40. The sum of rupees x amounts to rupees 18,422.25 in 2.5 years at 10% per annum interest compounding annually. What is the value of x here? Given principal P is equal to x rupees. A sum of rupees x amounts to, this principal amount becomes A is equal to 18,422.25 rupees in 2.5 years. So here the time T is equal to 2.5 years. In this 2.5 years, rate of interest in first 2 years. First 2 years R is equal to 10%. In last half year, R becomes 5%. Right? So here we have to find the value of X. What is the principal amount? So formula to be used. Formula is amount is equal to principal into 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 to the power of time. Right? So here solution. Amount is equal to principal. Here we have two cases, rate of interest in first 2 years and rate of interest in last half year. Therefore, it is 1 plus, right? So rate of interest in first 2 years is 10 by 100 to the power of 2. And in the second case, it is 1 plus 5 by 100 rate of interest, right? Therefore, what is amount here? 18,422.25 is equal to principal is x rupees into 110 by 2, not 2, it is by 100. So 110 by 100 to the power of 2 by 105 by 100, which is equal to, so x into 11 by 10 whole square into, it is so multiples of 5, 21 by 20, right? Which is equal to x into 121 by 100 into 21 by 20. Therefore, x is equal to 18,422.25 into, so 100 into 22,000, so 2,000 whole divided by 121 into 21, 2,541. Therefore, x is, after simplification, we'll get 14,500 rupees. Therefore, the principal amount is 14,500. Option B. Question 41. The area of a circular field is 15,400 meters square. What is the cost of fencing the field at rupees 12.50 per meter? Take pi as 22 by 7. So given area of a circular field A is equal to 15,400 meters square. So cost of fencing per meter is equal to 12.50 rupees. Right. So we have to find the total cost of fencing the perimeter of the circular field. Right. So for that we need to find the perimeter. For perimeter we need radius. Right. Perimeter is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore we need radius. So by using the formula pi r square, let us find area is equal to pi r square. Let us find the radius of the circular field. Right. Therefore, formula to be used. Formula to be used. Here, area is equal to pi r square and perimeter of the circle. Perimeter P is equal to 2 pi r. Right, where pi is 22 by 7. So calculation part. So area of the circle is equal to 15,400, which is pi r square. Therefore, r square is equal to area by pi, right? Which is 15,400 divided by 22 by 7, which is r square. So 15,400 into 7 by 22. Therefore, r is equal to square root of 15,400 into 7 by 22, which is equal to 70 meter. After simplification, we will get r is equal to radius of the circular field is 70 meter. Therefore, perimeter of the circular field P is equal to 2 pi r. So here 2 into 22 by 7 into 70. Right? So it is, so 7 into 10 is 70, which is 44 into 10, which is 440 meter. Perimeter of the circular field is 440 meter. So cost of fencing per meter is equal to 12.50 rupees. Therefore, cost of fencing for 440 meter is equal to 12.50 into 440, which is equal to 5,500. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Question 42. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of base radius 35 centimeter is 2640 centimeters square. What is the volume of the cylinder? So here pi is 22 by 7. So let us consider a right circular cylinder. circular, right circular cylinder of base radius 35 centimeter. R is 35 centimeter and its third surface area is 2640 centimeters square. Right. So we have to find volume of the cylinder V. For that we need height of the cylinder. Radius is given. So let us find height of the cylinder using the formula, that is curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. In that we have to find the value of H. Then substitute the value of H in volume of the cylinder is pi r square H. So given curved surface area is equal to 2640 centimeters and radius R is equal to 35 centimeter, right? Here. So formula to be used here, curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH and volume of the cylinder V is equal to pi r square H. Solution here, curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r into H. What is curved surface area given? So 2640 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 35 centimeter, right? Yes. And H we have to calculate. Therefore, H, height of the cylinder, is equal to 2640 into 7. So 22 into 2 is 44 into 35. So here after simplification we'll get H as 12 centimeter. Right. So now volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square H, which is 22 by 7 into R is 35 the whole square into H is 12. So here also after simplification we'll get 46,200 centimeter cube. So volume of the cylinder is 46,200. Hence option D is the right answer. Question 43. The perimeter of a parallelogram is 36 centimeter and the ratio between its two adjacent sides 2:1. If the altitude corresponding to the smaller side is 10 centimeter, what is its area? So consider a parallelogram. So here the perimeter P is 36 centimeter. Ratio between its two adjacent sides is 2:1. And the altitude corresponding to the smaller side is 10 centimeter. So corresponding to this side, the altitude is 10 centimeter. So its area. Now, here given perimeter P is equal to 36 centimeter. So adjacent sides, or you can write it as ratio of adjacent side is equal to 2:1, right? So altitude corresponding to the smaller side h is equal to 10 centimeter, right? Then what is its area? So here formula to be used are area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height, and perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to 2 times a plus b. That means where a and b are its adjacent sides. Adjacent sides, right? So solution here, since the adjacent sides are in the ratio 2:1, therefore adjacent sides ratio is equal to 2:1. Therefore, the sides are A is equal to 2x, B is equal to x. Therefore, perimeter perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to 2 times A plus B. That is 2 times 2x plus x, that is 3x, that is 6x. What is perimeter given? 36 centimeter. Therefore, x is equal to 36 by 6, which is 6 centimeter. So the smaller side is equal to 6 centimeter, and another side where a is equal to 2x, which is 12 centimeter, and b is equal to 6 centimeter. So here the altitude or height corresponding to the smaller side is 10 centimeter. Also h is equal to 10 centimeter corresponding to smaller side. Therefore, area of the parallelogram is base into height. So since the height is corresponding to the smaller side, so base should be considered as the smaller side. That is 10 into 6, which is base is 6 centimeter, height is 10. Area is equal to 60 centimeter square. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, 60 centimeters square. Question 44. If F, E and V are respectively the number of faces, edges and vertices of a square pyramid, then which of the following statements is true? Here are 4 different equations. You have to find which equation is true here. So let us consider a square pyramid. Square pyramid. Roughly I am drawing here. So where F is number of faces. Number of faces is equal to F is equal to, in a square pyramid, there are 5 number of faces. Here, 4 faces are of triangular faces, right? Then congruent triangles, right? Then 1 is of square face. Then number of edges. Number of edges, E is equal to. So how many edges are there? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges of a square and 4 of triangles. So it is 8 edges. 4 plus 4. Right? Number of vertices. Number of vertices. V is equal to, here 4 vertices of square and 1 at the top here. That is 5. 4 plus 1, right? So we have to check which equation is true here. Is it first A, B, C or D? So let us start with the first one. 3F plus 2E minus 2V is equal to 3 into number of faces is 5 plus 2 into 8 minus 2 into 5 equal to 15 plus 16 minus 10. So it is 16 plus 5 is 21. Check with the answer. Yes. So option A is the right answer. No need to check the remaining equations because options A is the correct one. Question 45. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if AB is equal to DE, AC is equal to EF, and BC is equal to FD, then, so we have to find the correct answer for congruency here. So consider two triangles ABC and DEF. ABC, ABC, DEF. So here AB is equal to DE, AC is equal to EF, and BC is equal to FD. So I'll consider AC is equal to EF, right? AC is equal to EF. AB is equal to DE. So I'll write B here. It becomes BA. The side BA is equal to DE. So if we write the triangle in this order, BAC, triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DEF, in that the first two letters BA is equal to DE here, right? So BA and AB are same. AB is equal to DE. So the one condition is satisfied. And last two letters AC is equal to EF. So which is true here. And first and the third letter BC is equal to DF. Here it is given FD. Both are same. Therefore, triangle BAC is congruent to DEF, or triangle DEF is congruent to triangle BAC. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Question 46. In a quadrilateral ABCD, angle D is 50 degree and angle C is 110 degree. The bisectors of angle A and B meet at a point P. The measure of angle APB is. So consider a quadrilateral ABCD, ABCD, where angle D is 50 degree, angle C is 110 degree. So bisectors of angle A and angle B meet at a point P. So we have to find the measure of angle APB, this angle P, right? So in a quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree, right? Sum of its interior angles. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 110 and angle D is 50 degree is equal to 360 degree, right? Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus 160 degree is equal to 360. Therefore, angle A plus angle B is equal to 360 minus 160 is 200. So consider this as equation 1. In triangle APB, APB. So angle APB plus angle PAB plus angle PBA is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the interior angles in a triangle, right? So here angle APB plus what is PAB? PAB is half of the angle A because AP bisects angle A and PB bisects angle B. Therefore, we can write PAB as half of angle A and PBA as half of angle B is equal to 180 degree. Right? Therefore, angle APB plus half of angle A is, we have to calculate, right? Half is common here. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Right? So, angle APB plus half of, from equation 1, angle A plus angle B is 200. It is 200 is equal to 180. Therefore, angle APB is equal to, so 2 into 100 is 200. 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. Right? Therefore, angle APB is 80 degree. Option B. Question 47. In triangle PQR, side QR is produced to S. RT is drawn parallel to QP. If angle PRT is 68 degree and angle PQR is 35 degree, then what is the difference between angles QRP and TRS? Draw a triangle PQR. PQR where QR is produced to S. Right? QP is parallel to RT. RT is drawn parallel to QP. PQR is 35 degree. PRT is 68 degree. This angle PRT is 68 degree. So what is the difference between QRP? QRP, this is angle 1. TRS, angle 2. So difference between angle 1 and 2 we have to calculate. Here PQ is parallel to RT by construction, right? So here QS is the transverse, right? So PQR 35 degree, which is equal to TRS angle 2 because they are corresponding angles. So now we know the value of angle 2, which is 35 degree, and PRT, which is given 68 degree. So here angle 1, 2 and PRT are linear pairs. That means their sum of their angles is 180 degree because they are linear pair. Linear pair of angles, right? Therefore, angle 1 is 180 minus sum of these two, angle 2 and 68 degree, right? This is how we have to calculate angle 1 and 2. Then find the difference between angle 1 and 2. So, given in triangle PQR, QR is reduced to S. And QP is parallel to RT. Angle PQR is 35 degree. Angle PRT is 68 degree. Right? So, solution. Since QP is parallel to RT and QS is the transversal. Therefore, angle PQR is equal to angle TRS is equal to 35 degrees because corresponding angles. Now, angle QRP, angle 1, this angle, right? QRP plus angle PRT plus angle TRS is equal to 180 degrees because they are linear pair of angles. Linear pair, right? So angle QRP plus angle PRT is 68 degree, which is given. TRS is 35, corresponding angle to the given angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle QRT is equal to 180 minus 68 plus 35, which is 103, which is equal to 77 degrees. So, angle QRP. So, in the question, difference between QRP and TRS. Therefore, angle which is greater, angle QRP or TRS? Yes, QRP is greater. Therefore, QRP minus angle TRS is equal to 77 minus 35, which is equal to 42 degrees. So the difference is 42. Option A is the right answer. Question 48. The sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon is 1080 degree. What is the measure of each exterior angle here? So here, sum of all interior angles of a polygon. Regular polygon means whose all sides and angles are equal, right? Therefore, is equal to 1080 degree, right? So, each angle is equal to interior angle. That means sum of all interior angles divided by number of sides. So, which is small n, right? Come to the calculation. So we have to find the number of sides of the polygon. So whether it is a hexagon or octagon, or what it is actually. So here for that, we have a calculation, that is formula 2n minus 4 into 90 is equal to sum of interior angles, that is 1080 is equal to sum of interior angles. Right? Which is 2n minus 4 into 90. Here sum of interior angles is 1080. Therefore, 2n minus 4 is 1080 by 90. So 2n minus 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, 2n is 16. N is 80. So here number of sides is 80. Therefore, the regular polygon is octagon. right? So here, therefore, each angle is equal to, so sum of interior angles divided by number of sides, which is equal to 135 degrees. 135 degrees. So in the question, what is the measure of each exterior angle? So therefore, exterior angle is equal to 180 minus interior angle, right? Interior angle. So in a regular octagon, say for example, so if this is the interior angle, exterior angle becomes this part, E, right? So 180 minus interior angle. Therefore, 180 minus 35, which is 45 degrees. Therefore, the correct answer is 45 degrees, option C. Question 49. Numbers 40, 41, 42, so on up to 130 are written on cards. One number on one card and put in a box. A card is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the number on the card drawn is divisible by 2, 3 and 4? Here, the numbers are given. Numbers are from 40, 41, 42, so on up to 129 and 130 till 130. Right. So we know the last term, that is 130, first term 40, and we don't know the value of number of term, that means number of terms in the series. So for that, we need the formula Tn, that is the last term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in any series, a is the first term, tn is the nth term, that is the last term, and n is number of terms in the series, and d is difference between first and the second and third. That means the difference between the consecutive numbers, right? Therefore, Tn is already known, which is 130. A is the first term, 40, plus n we have to calculate minus 1. Difference between two terms is 1 here. So, this is the calculation part, right? So, 130 is equal to 40 plus n minus 1. Right? Therefore, n is equal to 130 minus 40 plus 1, which is 91. Therefore, in the given series 40 to 130, there are 91 terms. There are 91 terms, and the common difference is 1. And here, according to the question, we have to find the probability that the number on the card drawn is divisible by 2, 3, and 4. For that, we need the LCM of 2, 3, and 4. LCM of 2, 3, and 4 is 12. So, if the numbers are divisible by 12, the LCM of 2, 3, 4, then that number is divisible by all three, that is 2, 3, and 4. For example, 60. So, if the 60 is divisible by 12, 12 into 5 is 60. Then 60 is divisible by all three numbers, 2. 2 into 30 is 60, 3 into 20 is 60, 4 into 15 is 60. So therefore, if the numbers between 40 to 130, if some numbers are divisible by LCM of 2, 3, and 4, that is 12, then those numbers are divisible by all three numbers, 2, 3, and 4. For that, we need LCM. 2 of 2, 3, and 4 is 12, right? Therefore, the numbers between 40 and 130, which are divisible by by 12 are, what are the numbers? 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and 120. So there are 7 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers which are divisible by 12 between 40 and 130, right? So here number of observable events. When it comes to probability, we have to use certain terms. Number of observable events, which is equal to numbers divisible by 12 between 40 and 130. Between 40 and 130, which is equal to, so number of observable events is equal to, there are 7 events, 7 numbers which are divisible by, yes, 12, right? So total number of events, that means total number of numbers from 40 to 130, which is equal to n is 91. So 91. So among 91 numbers, only 7 numbers are divisible by 12, right? Therefore, probability is equal to, so number of observable events, that means 7 divided by total number of events, that is 7 by 91. Hence, option A is the right answer. Question 50. If x, y and z are respectively the mean, mode and median of the data, should be data, 7, 9, 19, 11, 10, 8, 7, 5, 7, 6, 9 and 10. Right? Then what is the value of x plus y minus z? So let us write the given data in ascending or descending order. Writing the given data in ascending order. Ascending order. Right? So the first comes 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7 3 times, 8 1 time, 9 2 times, 10 2 times, right? 11 and 19. So here 7 is repeated. It is written 3 times, 9 is 2 times, 10 is 2 times. So in any data, so the number which is repeated maximum number of times is called mode of the given data. So therefore, mode, according to the question, mode is y. Mode y is equal to 7. So this number is repeated. It is written maximum number of times, right? So it is mode. And the second one, mean. Mean, according to the question, it is x. It is equal to summation of the given data divided by number of observations. Summation of the given data divided by number of observations. Number of observations. Right. So what is summation of the given data? It is 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7 3 times it is. Plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 10 and 11 and 19, right? 11 and 19 divided by number of observations, the number of terms here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 number of observations. Therefore, so the summation of the given data is 108. 108 by 12. Therefore, the mean x is equal to 9. Third term, which is median. Median. For even number of terms. So in the given data, there are even number of terms. N is equal to 12, right? So for even number of terms, median is equal to, according to the question, it is Z is equal to N by 2th term. N by 2th term plus N by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. Here N is number of terms in the data. 12 by 2th term, it is not 12 by 2. 12 by 2th term plus 12 by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So what is 6th term plus 7th term by 2? What is 6th term here? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 is 6th term, 9 is 7th term. That is Z is 8 plus 9 by 2, which is 17 by 2, 8.5. Therefore, the question is x plus y minus z. So, x plus y minus z is equal to, here x is mean. Mean is 9 plus y is 7. 9 plus 7 minus 8.5, which is 16 minus 8.5, which is 7.5. Therefore, the answer is option D. Question 51. A middle school teacher gives her students the following question. In the given expression, what number do you think belongs to the box 9 plus 3 is equal to dash plus 7? The common responses of her students were 12 and 19. Which of the following statement is most appropriate for the given context? Here in the options A, B, C, and D, it is a misconception that arose because students were not viewing the symbol equality symbol as a symbol to indicate equivalence. So here, so option A is the right answer because the students did not have a correct understanding of the equal symbol. Right? They were just concentrating on the addition and missing the equality symbol in the middle. So in 9 plus 3, they were just concentrating on the addition part. Here the box plus 7. Right? They did not have an idea that the values on the both sides of the equivalence symbol should be equal. Right? So here misconception. So what is misconception? The wrong concepts registered in the minds of students regarding various concepts in the curriculum are known as misconceptions. This needs to be cleared by the teacher as early as possible to avoid the errors of the students on the same topic in the future. Hence, option A is the right answer. Question 52. Which of the following is the best example of a precise mathematical statement? So here, mathematical statement, it is a rule or generalization in mathematics that is further used as a starting point for the other concepts related to it. So here in the options, so option A, median is a line from the topmost point of a triangle to the opposite side. Number of factors of a given number is always countable. Congruent triangles can be formed with two sides. A square is symmetrical, but a pentagon is not. Here, the precise mathematical statement is option B, B statement. Number of factors of a given number is always countable. Here, every number in mathematics has a limited number of factors and it can be counted. For example, 12 has its factors 2, 3, 4, right? And 1. And also the number itself, right? The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 12 and 6. One more, 6. So which are countable and limited. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Question 53. A teacher develops a rubric involving 5 stages for analyzing the types of errors that students in her class make in mathematics based on Newman's error analysis. Match the stages in column A with their respective description in column B. Here, Newman's error analysis arose from research into language issues in maths in the 1970s. So the theory states that there are 5 stages that a student goes through to solve a word problem in mathematics. So student goes through 5 stages while solving a word problem in mathematics. The student reads the problem and decodes words and symbols first. The student makes sense of what they have read already. Right? So here the 5 stages are: first is reading stage. So in reading stage, students look and read the given questions. So come to column B. Here, students look and read the given questions. Hence here in second part, students can read the question. So A is second one. And in the second stage, comprehension stage. Here, students can understand the meaning of the questions. So here, B is 1. Students can understand the meaning of the question, right? So, and third stage is transformation stage. Here, the student can select the appropriate mathematical operation or procedure. So, which is 5. So, C is 5. Fourth stage is process skills stage. Here, students perform the mathematical calculation and procedure accurately. So, which is third one, right? So, D is third one. And the fifth is encoding stage. Encoding stage means student can represent the answer appropriately. Therefore, it is fourth one. Therefore, the correct option is second, first, fifth, third, and fourth. Second, so option C. Second, here in the option C. Second, first, fifth, third, and fourth. Hence, option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Question 54. A middle school teacher asks the students to toss a fair coin 10 times and record their observations as number of times the head comes divided by number of times the coins tossed and number of times tails comes divided by number of times the coins tossed. Here, she then asks the students to toss the coin 20 times and again record their observations in same way. She keeps on increasing number of tosses and asks the students to record their observations. The purpose of this activity is to introduce the concept of fractions, complete the experiment prescribed in textbook and maintaining practical files in the mathematics laboratory, help students identify the situations in which probability is greater than 1, help students arrive at the fact as the number of tosses gets larger, the probability of head or tail gets closer to zero point 0.5. Here the correct answer is to introduce the concept of fractions. So in the above case, the students may not arrive to the fact that when a coin is tossed, probability of head or tail is closer to zero point 0.5 when they toss the coin only few times. So this can be proved and taught to the students. Only a coin is tossed many times where they can understand the concept. Right? So here what is probability? Probability means possibility. Possibility. So it is a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of a random event. So occurrence of possibility. So occurrence of random event. So the value is expressed from 0 to 1 generally. 0 to 1. So whenever we are unsure about the outcome of an event, we can talk about the probability. Question 55. Which of the following mathematical situations does not involve problem solving skills? So here, problem solving skills are very important in mathematics. The ability to think creatively, critically, think critically, and logically. Logical thinking. The ability to structure and organize. Ability to process information. So these are some of the problem solving skills involved in mathematics. So here in the option A, find the value of 3.25 into 6. It does not involve any problem solving skill because so it is a direct question of multiplication. So the student may get the answer easily. So it doesn't require any problem solving skills like critical thinking or creative thinking or any analysis like that. The student is not required to read and understand the problem in order to solve it. So it doesn't enhance the thinking capacity of the student. Therefore, option A is the right answer. So which does not involve any problem solving skill. Question 56. Which of the following is the most appropriate strategy for a teacher to use in an introductory class on ratios? Here in mathematics, a ratio is a comparison of two or more numbers. So ratio is a comparison of two or more numbers. Two or more, more numbers that indicates their sizes in relation to each other. So a ratio compares two quantities by division. Here in the option C, how can I compare the length of a toy car with the length of a real car using division? So it is the most appropriate strategy for a teacher to use in an introductory class on ratios. So as the ratio is nothing but comparison, the students should get at least two quantities to compare. So as in the example, the students can compare the length of a toy car with the length of a real car using division. The students get to know how many times the length of a real car greater compared to the length of a toy car. When they divide both, they get the ratio of both the quantities, which may familiarize them with the ratio topic. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Question 57. Which of the following can be used to encourage interdisciplinarity in mathematics assessment? Field trips, projects, anecdotal records, classroom observations. Choose the correct answer. Here, the interdisciplinary mathematics curriculum focuses on solving problems and understanding how things connect. Interdisciplinary mathematics it's a field of mathematics that merges math expertise with proficiency in another discipline, usually science, business, medicine, or engineering. So here in option C, so which includes field trips and projects. So here a field trip is it's a visit to a place away from their normal place of study. The purpose of this trip is to provide students an experience outside the classrooms or labs to provide hands-on experience to the students. So whereas projects, a project it is a series of tasks that need to be completed to reach a specific outcome. A project can also be defined as a set of inputs and outputs required to achieve a particular goal. Here, option that is C, which includes field trips and projects, so it can be used to encourage interdisciplinarity in mathematics assessment. Question 58. Miss Sarita brought a fair die to her class. Which of the following is least suited to be taught using this? Here, dice are small throwable objects with marked sides that can rest in multiple positions. So imagine a die. So dice are small throwable objects like this with marked sides that can rest in multiple positions. So here one, two, so three, four, five, one at the back. Right? They are used for generating random numbers, commonly as part of tabletop games, including dice games, board games, role-playing games, and games of chance. Here, bar graph. This concept can be taught using the dice by rolling the dice many times and taking two parameters, frequency and results at x and y of the bar graph. Whereas Euler's formula f plus v is equal to e plus 2 can be easily taught using the die and also will be understood by the students very well as a die contains phases, vertices and also edges. Whereas probability, so this probability can also be taught using a die as it can be used to calculate the number of outcomes and also see how many times each number occurs in rolling specific times. So whereas in direct proportion can't be taught using the die as it has no relation with the increase and decrease of some quantities in the same proportion and rolling dice two times may not increase the chance of getting two. Hence, direct proportion is least suited to be taught using die. Question 59. With the help of GeoGebra software, students can learn geometrical concepts through. Here, GeoGebra software, it is a computer program to support teaching and learning mathematics subject, especially in geometry, algebra, and statistics. Geometry, algebra, and statistics. The various facilities provided by GeoGebra software expect that it can be a great medium to help its users visualize abstract geometric objects quickly, accurately, and efficiently. Here in the options, option D, exploratory approach, it is the correct options. Right. So here, this program allows for simple visualizations of possibly complex geometric concepts and helps enhance a student's understanding of those concepts through an exploratory approach. Hence, option D is the right answer.
According to National Curriculum Framework 2005, school mathematics takes place in a situation where students solve those problems in mathematics which are part of higher mathematics education. Students see mathematics as a part of their daily life experiences and something to talk and discuss about. Teacher is an active narrator and children are listeners in the class. Children are reciting multiplication tables together in a rhythm. Here, developing logical and problem solving abilities in children is the main objective of teaching mathematics, according to NCF National Curriculum Framework 2005. The development of children's abilities for mathematization is the main goal of mathematics education, which means the child's thought process should be mathematized. Here, according to NCF 2005, school mathematics takes place in a situation where students see mathematics as a part of their daily life experiences and something to talk and discuss about. So, here students avoid rote memorization and develop concepts with understanding. Students are treated as the center of the class, and teaching and learning activities are developed according to their abilities. Students see mathematics as a part of their daily life experience. So, students start using the concept of mathematics they learned in the classroom in their daily life as well. So, students enjoy solving different types of problems in different methods according to their understanding. Therefore, option B is the right answer.